Hello, and welcome to Unit 2. In this video, you will be introduced to the Python library Matplotlib. But first, what is a library? In most programming languages, libraries are external resources which you can use. In other words, they are collections of reusable related functions. The greatest benefit of a library is the ability to use functions already created by others, though you can also create your own libraries. The Matplotlib library allows you to create two-dimensional graphs and data displays with just a few lines of code. To use a library, you need to import it first using the import statement. PLT is the abbreviation or shortened name we declare ourselves. We often rename a library in our code to simplify accessing functions inside the library. Imagine if you had to type the name Matplotlib in front of 20 lines of code. This would become tiresome. In this demo, I will show you how to use the Matplotlib library to draw the letter W. W stands for wizard, and that is what you will become after completing this unit. The letter is a polyline with 4 linear segments connecting the points 0, 3, 9/10, 0, 1 and 5/10, 2, 2 and 1/10, 0, and 3, 3. For now, just step through the program below. Pay attention to the following. The Matplotlib library is imported on line 2 and abbreviated as PLT. The x and y coordinates of the 5 points are defined using separate Python lists. Line 8 accesses Matplotlib's plot function, referenced as plt.plot. It creates the graph in computer memory. Line 10 accesses Matplotlib's show function, referenced as plt.show. The show function is called to display the final result. In this video, you have learned how to plot simple piecewise lines using the Python library Matplotlib. We also saw how to use two functions, plot and show. See you in the next video.